Hello dear and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahil. In this video with Google Chrome, we're going to learn how to bookmark a tab. With Google Chrome browser, to bookmark a tab, we can click right here to bookmark this tab. Or you can click right here, customize and control Google Chrome, go to bookmarks and sites and click on bookmark this tab. Give it a name like Google or any other name and choose a folder. I'm going to choose this My Sites and click on Done. Now to open bookmark, what you can do, you can click right here, go to bookmarks and list and click on show all bookmarks. So here I can search for bookmarks and I can see all the folders. Right here I can just click edit. You can click on visual view and also I can organize it. You can sort it by newest, by oldest, sort by last opened, sort by A to Z, and sort by Z to A. Now I can just click on My Sites and I can just click on Google to open it. So this is how we can bookmark a website or a specific tab with Google Chrome browser. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.